Hello everyone, this is John Hansmeyer and this is Food, Flicks, and Fun. And tonight I'm going to be reviewing for you guys the Pumpkin Pie Blizzard from Dairy Queen. It's a really great treat. It's got some nutmeg on the top. It's got some vanilla ice cream. It's got some pumpkin pie, and I really love about this Blizzard is I've had it twice. I love it a lot, and I love the Dairy Queen cloquet because I can't remember her name, but anyway, she I think it's Rihanna or something, and it's a really great. Anyway, the person who helped me with making the Blizzard. She gave me a free Blizzard, and I really love it. And it's got nutmeg on the top. It's got a nice mix to it. It's got no spice to it, which is great. And let's have a taste. I really love about this Blizzard is it's a really great creamy taste to it. It's got a nice mix between vanilla and pumpkin, where it's not just going to be all melty and stuff. The thing I love about the Blizzard is it's not super soft, and it tastes like it's a mix between soft serve and hard serve. It's got that nice little middle where you can tell it was just hard serve just a few minutes ago, but it's soft serve. It's not too soft. Here's the nutmeg right here. It's got a nice cream taste to it. I can't stand mukbangs. What's the point of a video where you have all that ice cream and it just melts and it just goes to waste? It's not funny. It's annoying. It's just a waste. Why can't it be healthy meals? Why does it always have to be such massive portions? I don't get the appeal of overconsumption when it comes to mukbangs. It's stupid. What I'm really thankful for Thanksgiving is pumpkin pie. The thing I love about pumpkin pie is it's got a nice, it's just very, I don't know how to describe it, but it's just a very good taste where it's like peanut butter and jelly. Cream and pumpkin pie go so well together. It's amazing how much ice cream you get in a mini. I think I might have gotten a small. I don't know. Love it. My favorite Blizzard back in the day was the Pumpkin Pie Blizzard. I mean, the Banana Cream Blizzard. Banana Cream Pie Blizzard. Because it was just like this. It had chips of crust. It had like little lumps of banana. It had the banana cream, the crust, and it had like banana chips in it, and they haven't brought it back. Maybe I should talk to the Dairy Queen headquarters. What I love about this is they don't mix it to the point where it's like all the ratio is just 100% mixing of the cream and the pumpkin. It's like a nice mix of where there's spots where it's not properly mixed. It's got a good ratio. I'm at the Dairy Queen in Cloquet, Minnesota, as you cannot tell by my accent. Born and raised in Minnesota. Just incredible. Done. I think I might have gone the small, not the mini. Do not buy a mini. That's all I can tell you. Do not buy a mini. Why? Doesn't give you much ice cream. And you're always craving something afterwards. What's the point? What's the point of having something over if you're wanting to eat and you want to crave even more? It's just, yeah, the mini's not worth it. I've had so many great memories at a Dairy Queen. The best Dairy Queen I've ever had, experience I've ever had, was I won first place. I've only won one first place trophy in. I've only won one first place trophy in wrestling, and I literally cried. I was so excited. It was at the Dairy Queen in Aiken, Minnesota, and I'll never forget it. I think I went to state or something, and I was really fat, as you can see. It's still pretty fat. Look at this. I love doing film reviews. You know, I don't care if you get 1 million reviews or 12. What matters is if you get that one like. If you get 10 views, or 1,000. There are people in this world who watch your videos, and if I can make one video make one person laugh or smile, it's worth it. I just love food, films, and fun because I call it food, flicks, and fun because I love films, I love food, and I love having fun. And that's reason why I call it. And so that's my review. It's called Food, Flicks, and Fun, and this is a tour. This is what it looks like from the other side. It looks like. You can see right there, there's some pretty nice decor. This decor over there. Yep. That's my film review. I'm gonna ask the name of the manager, and I'll be right back. Yep, you can check the comment below, but her name is Rihanna. Very sweet of her to be able to give me a free Blizzard. I did a film review of the Blizzard, and she just showed me how it was made, and she was a manager, and I called her multiple times to see, is this Blizzard still in service? And she says, yes, it is. I'm like, whew, good. So that's my film review, and I hope you guys have a great day.